we're going to move on to faculties of science. And here we are today with Professor Dr. Paitun Rachata Sakon. He's going to talk about the postgraduate programs in chemistry. สวัสดีครับ Dr. Paitun.
สวัสดีครับ
สวัสดีครับ
Good afternoon, everyone. I would like to thank our host for your invitation. And my name is Paitun Lachata Sakon from the Department of Chemistry, Faculty of Science. Today, I am very excited to tell you all about the graduate program that we have to offer for the academic year 2020 and 2021. Okay, but first, let's watch a short video presentation.
Here are 5 reasons why you should come to Chula for your graduate study. We have 2 graduate programs that suit your different needs. The Fundamental Pathway grants a deep knowledge on the fundamental aspects of chemistry, with the ultimate goal of making you ready for creating cutting-edge innovations from the ground up.
In addition, we are proud to also offer the very first international program in green chemistry and sustainability in ASEAN, created with new generations of chemists in mind. This program aims to equip you with well-balanced knowledge in both chemistry and entrepreneurship. Our department is proud of having a diverse set of research themes, leading to broad impacts in many areas, including health, foods, energy, and environment.
Besides, while fundamental research is our core, Chula has demonstrated that these research assets can be commercialized as well, with many well-known examples in society. Our department is well equipped with variety of tools and instruments, from basic to advanced levels.
Our portfolio of instruments makes us ready to tackle challenging problems in various kinds of research, leading to the production of high-quality research. Our students have ample opportunities to participate in industrial collaborations and international internship. With strong networking with industrial partners, students in Chula can have a chance to solve real-life problems in many aspects.
Also, various joint degree available for Chula students and partner universities means our students can broaden their international experience at frontier research facilities. Collaborative environment is an element that our department does not take lightly. With international students from various countries, our department has a wide range in cultural diversity with the international environment.
As current research problems require expertise from more than one area, different research groups in Chula have collaborated in terms of knowledge and resources for multidisciplinary solution. Let's be part of us. Join Chula.
So, as one of the first disciplines established almost at the same time with Chulalongkorn University over a century ago, here is where we are today. We are so proud of our research excellence. As you can see on this slide, last year alone, we published over 160 publications, and 28 of them are in Tier 1 or top 10% journal. Our faculty staff also secure close to 100 million baht, or approximately 1 million, 3 million US dollar from research grant, okay, from either domestic and also international granting agency. Chulalongkorn University has also been ranked among the top 200 by QS World University ranking by chemistry subject. And currently we are having about 200 graduate students. 15 of them are from abroad. In terms of faculty staff, we are currently having 66 faculty members, and about 1/3 of them are now holding full professorship titles. In terms of research, there are 3 research themes available in our department. The first one is about green and sustainable chemistry. Under this theme, some projects can be related to catalysts and catalytic system for greener and safer application. People with analytical skill can also use their analytical methods for the environmental monitoring and remediations. The second theme involves the material chemistry, in which we design and synthesize new materials with optical, electrical, and magnetic properties that suit their application, which could be those application in sensors or optoelectronic devices. Okay, and the last theme is about the chemical biology and medicinal chemistry. Chemical biology is the study of chemical processes involving in the biological pathway, and the medicinal chemistry is about the use of chemicals as the pharmaceutical active ingredients. So in this theme, a lot of research will involve the molecular design, natural product isolation and elucidation, drug discovery, and also food and agrochemistry. For more information about our research, you can always visit our website. But first, let me talk about something more than basic research. Okay, apart from doing research for academic excellence, some of our faculty staff also have good collaboration with leading corporations in Thailand. And those strong connections can also result in a lot of innovative commercial products that has some economic and social impacts to our society. When we accept international students to our program, we want to make sure that apart from the knowledge in chemistry and also their access to our research facility, we have to make sure that they feel like home. So we welcome them into our department with our warm hospitality. And here are some examples of the activity we have for them along with our Thai students. There are two graduate programs in our department. The first one is the chemistry program, which will focus on the core chemistry or the basic chemistry. The second one is the new one called green chemistry and sustainability. For the first one, it takes 2 to 3 years to finish the master degree and 3 to 6 years for the PhD degree. There is one requirement for the PhD program. You have to get at least one publication. And for the master degree, you have to get at least one publication in the conference proceeding. Okay. There are 4 disciplines in this program, which is called physical chemistry, organic chemistry, inorganic, and analytical chemistry. In each discipline, you have to take the core course from each of those. That I believe that there are only 2 of them, okay? But if your research requires knowledge from outside your discipline, for example, you're in the organic chemistry and you want to work on some separation techniques, you can also take courses from the analytical chemistry discipline as well. There is also another option for international students in this program, because we also have the dual degree program with 3 Japanese institutes. Okay, there are Niigata University, International Institute for Molecular Science, and also the Japan Advanced Institute of Science and Technology. You can choose to join this dual degree program when you decide when you get 2 degrees from our university and their university, but you also have to spend some time over there as well. So for more information, we can talk about this. You can get more information about this on our website. The other program is called Green Chemistry and Sustainability. This program have also the same type of kind of duration and also requirement as the previous program. Okay, there are only 2 courses required for this program, which is the Green and Sustainable Chemistry and the Chemical Toxicology and Risk Management. Our coursework in this program can be categorized into 5 groups, as you can see on this slide, but it doesn't really mean you have to take all of these, or you don't have to take any of these as a whole, because under this program, you can tailor-make your coursework by choose to take only some module of study from each courses that fit your research interest. So basically, you and your advisor can tailor-make your coursework so that it fits for your research interest. Professor John Warner is our he's the one that co-designed this program with us, and we are very delighted to have him as our adjunct professor, along with Professor Samek, Professor Lay, and Professor Marriott. Okay, apart from these 4 professors, we also have strong collaboration with some big corporation in Thailand. Okay, so when for a certain period of time, students in the green chemistry program have to take the practicum courses, which will require you to spend some time, maybe 1 to 2 weeks over at this cooperative, industrial cooperative, so that you can learn how to turn your basic knowledge into innovation, or maybe you can learn how to do a perfect idea pitching, something like that. Okay. If you are interested in our program, please fill in the application form online. It is available today until the end of October. Visit the website at www.register.gradchula.com to fill in your application. After that, don't forget to submit your relevant documents. They could be your resume, they could be your statement of purpose, as well as your transcript to the person in charge. There are 2 persons in charge, for one for each program. Okay, and we expect to announce a list of accepted candidates by the 2nd week of November. And before I finish today, make sure that you have access to our website. The website for our chemistry department is web.chemcu.org. And for the Green Chemistry and Sustainability Program, the website is greensign.chemcu.org. And if you are using Facebook, feel free to join our graduate program fan page at ChemCU graduate students, or you can just scan the QR code here. Okay, thank you very much for your kind attention.
Thank you very much, Professor Paitun. That was a wonderful presentation. I was very excited about this new program, the Green Chemistry and Sustainability, with the co-design with Dr. Professor John Warner. So that was a great one. So don't miss this opportunity. Please check out more information and don't forget to apply soon. Thank you very much ครับ ขอบคุณครับ